Hey, Opsops coming at you. What's going on? Check, check. Microphone checker. Hey, our last lesson, we talked about Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dominance is stalling, Ethereum is the next one we look at. Okay, and then from there, we get some other analogies along the way. But I'm going to show you today 6 charts. Okay, I don't want to confuse you guys. It can be kind of tricky. Now, I had a couple comments of people that said something kind of negative, but sorry, brother, you weren't understanding what I was saying. You made a comment that was basically proving that you got the opposite of what I was trying to say and teach, which is my fault. Okay, I'll take full responsibility for that, man. If we're over here trying to present a lesson and show you guys something that I've learned, it can be tricky. Okay, some of the stuff that I'm learning and that I understand and know, I can only focus and not talk about it and teach it yet. And a lot of it has to do with, man, these poor man's covered calls and stuff in the stock market. I'm going to show you eventually. It's unbelievable. I did a bunch of call options today. As a matter of fact, I sold, 10 different contracts, okay, on 3 different stocks. Talk about that later. So I'm going to show you some charts. Now, speaking of this, let's just, okay, this is Crypto Bubbles with the market cap. These are nice to look at. It has just changed. This just changed. It was not showing. Okay, so Bitcoin, negative 0.4% of money has moved somewhere. Where did it go? Negative 1%. Ethereum, not I'm just seeing this now. When I was looking at this just a minute ago, this was at 0.1 and then it went to 0, meaning we're moving sideways with Bitcoin. Ethereum was it was point something as well, but now we're a full 1% of money has moved out of Ethereum. Negative 2% of money has been moved out of XRP. Where's it going? This is tripping me out a little bit. See, now the BNB is the next market cap down that has a plus. That means some money went into BNB. 1.5% of the money, the entire market cap of all the cryptocurrency has been moved out of Solana. Could this be the beginning of altcoin, the real altcoin season? I don't know. We don't know yet. What I do want to do is show you. Okay, here is the Bitcoin dominance. We're just going to feed off this. I'm going to show you. This is what we were looking at yesterday. Okay. The dominance, meaning the amount of money that is sitting in Bitcoin, has been pretty consistently moving from this 60% over here to, okay, there's that 59.97, we'll say 60, to like 58.7. So it's not even a percentage gain or loss in terms of the market cap. Now, we follow the money on this channel, people. Wherever the money goes, we are going to see price movements in those areas. Okay, so just think about this. Go ahead and take notes. 60% to 58%. It's almost 59%. I'm going to say 59 to 60% is what the Bitcoin dominance has been for a while. Go over to Ethereum dominance chart. Now, these are important numbers. I guess we can, okay, we'll go up here. We'll call this peak 12.9 down to 11.8. 12.9 to 11.8. So that has been the amount of money percentage-wise it has been trading on Ethereum. Okay, so remember these numbers. Going over to XRP. See, this all makes sense, people. This all makes sense because this run up, this right here, this is money moving into XRP, and this isn't the price chart yet. This is the percentage dominance. meaning the percentage of money that is in XRP. Get my line. Okay, and we're going to call XRP. Let's go. All right, 4.5 to 3.8. 3.8 to 4.5% of the money in the cryptocurrency market has been traded on XRP. Now, here's the key to this equation. We want, when Bitcoin starts to see a drop off, okay, here's the Bitcoin dominance chart. When Bitcoin starts to see red candles move down this way, it should make Ethereum move up. This is money movement. This will reflect price action. Why Ethereum matters in this market here, okay? It's usually the first asset to confirm whether a market move is broadening, okay? That's what this discussion is all about. Now, here's key points. I'm going to give you 4 key points. Number 1, more risk than Bitcoin. This is when Ethereum is the segue. Okay, Ethereum is becoming a trusted altcoin. I don't really consider it an altcoin. I consider it one of the main projects. It's 1 and 2, Bitcoin 1, Ethereum 2. But it is the segue. So because Ethereum sits right between Bitcoin and the rest of the market, it's kind of the segue project. So more risk than Bitcoin, number 1. Number 2, less speculative than small caps. Number 3, heavily used, meaning the DeFis and the NFTs and the different infrastructures use the ETH network more and more every single day. Ethereum is a superior technology blockchain than Bitcoin. It's a fact. Bitcoin's blockchain, let's say it was written in 2009, it's archaic code. It's been hacked a couple times. So basically, it had to be split off to fix the hack. It's spaghetti code is what they call it. There's so many different fixes on that Bitcoin blockchain. That's why it's slow and expensive. Processing time takes a lot. This is true facts. Ethereum is more efficient. Okay, it's a better technology than Bitcoin. Okay, that's why it's being used in the infrastructure. Number 4, watch closely by institutions. Okay, institutions are really getting serious. You ever heard of Tom Lee? What is it? He's got a fund that's a treasury, Ethereum treasury. Okay, his MicroStrat. No, that's I'll put it up on the screen once I think about it here. Let's keep moving. Okay, most important charts right now. It's what I just showed you. Those dominance charts, okay, are most important. So we have to confirm participation with this money movement. Once we see Ethereum going above a 12% dominance, this is going to confirm that it's participating in the larger market cap space. XRP, we're a little bit unresolved in this question. Okay. You got to remember, professionals are smarter than generally retail investors. So it doesn't. The market doesn't wait for perfection in numbers in things. You know, if you look at the MicroStrategies, Michael Saylor, dude, they buy Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what the price is. He has said it straight up. It doesn't matter. They don't care what the price is because they know over time it's been the most profitable asset class in the entire world. It blows away the S&P 500. It's crazy. It has been consistently around 100% per year over time. So they don't care. They just buy in. They buy in every month. He had a weekly buys going as well, but it's a monthly buy no matter what the price is. When XRP starts moving with Bitcoin and Ethereum, it usually reflects that the risk appetite is proving. Investors want a little more risk. This is when things are settling down with fundamental factors involved. They're not. It's not like the headlines that are changing things, right? The news. It's not like that. So, what to watch for next? Now I'm gonna leave you with 4 different bullet points here. And here's what I'm watching. After today, after I've been studying this stuff, does Bitcoin dominance continue to stall? Number 2, does ETH and Bitcoin hold or strengthen? Does Ethereum continue to move with Bitcoin? We're looking at those support levels. We're looking at the support levels on this. Do other large cap tokens or coins participate or stall? Okay, we should see almost a decoupling from Bitcoin when it's going down. We should see the altcoins starting to pump up. That's all. Okay, I'm not trying. This isn't a prediction thing. We're not trying to time bottoms or tops. We're just looking at technicals. Always paying attention to fundamental. If there's a doom and gloom story that comes out, we got it. I mean, that affects markets. We already saw that on Doomsday. One tweet from the president created an insane drop in the market that we're still recovering from. So that's what I want to share today. We're going to build on this lesson day by day. You guys, you remember, guys, I was a high school teacher for 22 years. I was in the classroom for 12 years, then became a project director and administrator. Why I actually evaluated teaching and how the objectives met the lesson and things like that. So I'm going to get a little more structured with my lesson planning and as we move forward here. But this stuff's for me personally in my portfolios. This is what I am looking at. And I figured, why not just share it with you? I'm learning while you learn as well how to navigate through these choppy markets. It's that simple. There's so many tools available at our hands these days. It's just mind-boggling how much information we can get when we want or need it. So just want to leave you with that. Appreciate you guys' time. Always checking in right here. And, hey, get outside, do something fun. Finish up that project that you had going, do your work, whatever the case may be. Hey, happy Friday. Is it Friday? I'm losing track of the days, man. We're running through these things. Enjoy your weekend. I'm going to be out of town. I'm actually helping my mother-in-law move to our area. I'm going to be in Florida for a couple weeks, so I'll be doing my videos out there. My focus and progress and what I'm doing is not going to, this isn't going to impede anything. I'm going to keep moving day by day, getting better, making more money, getting smarter, getting more educated, and we'll see how it plays out. All right, Hop Sauce signing out right here. Everybody enjoy the rest of your day. Give me that thumbs up if you would, please. Subscribe. I'm trying to get there. I'm getting a little better on that thing, and we're going to go from there. All right, buddy. I'll put up a couple videos right here. I'll put up a couple more videos if you're interested. Some entertainment and some I don't know. I'm gonna, let's play it by ear. I'm gonna see what I put up here, but check those other videos out. It's good information. All right, appreciate your time. Hop Sauce signing out. Peace out.